I'm CEO and founder of Bowlton Robotic Kitchens. It's a company where we automate food production. Our robot cooks salads, soups, and hot bowls. I have more than 7 years of industrial robotics experience, including 2 years in Unilever supply chain, where I implemented complicated industrial automation projects. I also took part as executive role in the company who automate internal logistics with help of self-driving robots. With computer vision, they were carrying loads up to 1.5 tons. For the last 2 years, I work with my team, with the company, where we challenge and disrupt the industry of fast casual meals and commercial kitchens. In our vision, there are 2 streams of products in robotics for kitchens. From one side, people are trying to create fully automated solutions to 100% replace human and all of their operations. Such companies like Molly Robotics, Remy Robotics, Da Vinci Kitchen. This is one part. Another part, I call them last mile cooking robots. Where people make some preps of food and then robots make final assembly or final cooking. There are much more companies there, like Flippy by Misa Robotics, Picnic. They make pizzeria, Creator Burgers in San Francisco, Kala, Spice, Sally, recently launched Hypen, Alberts, who make smoothie, Paestro, a vending machine of fully autonomous pizzeria, and Bowlton as well, where we are focused on bowls production, including salads, soups, and hot bowls. So robotic development technology is not that advanced that it can be 100% replace humans. And it's important to move that direction, which first companies are doing. But the results and commercial effectiveness will be not really soon, in my opinion, because of, as I said, the technology is not that advanced. There are a lot of sensors which should work efficiently in rapidly changing kitchen environment. And that's why currently it's more reasonable in commercial perspective to move to the direction of collaboration of robots and people in the kitchen, where robots take some repetitive tasks, monkey jobs, and give potential to human to be focused more on hospitality, on creativity of recipes, and all other stuff. It's quite reasonable to move there. As a result, we've got some companies who are already doing this, and it's more reasonable than move to some homemade robotics, and the labor intensive of kitchen production is very high. It's almost the highest labor intensive industry in the world. And that's why it's really reasonable. And many efforts have started like 10 years ago, but now it's like mainstream, to make food robotics. That's it. Well, of course not. Robot will never push chefs to the sidelines of progress and force them to retain. Whatever high-end solutions have been implemented and designed, humans will rule the kitchen. They have to create recipes and have to understand what really people need, what kind of technology details, aspects, which non-artificial intelligence will possible to do. Robot will support their operations, will support repetitive actions, it's no doubts for me, no way that in the kitchen there will be not humans. But some market segments might be semi-replaced, like in fast food, where you need only do some not creative stuff like frying fries or flipping burgers, which is honestly not that creative. And the consistency of these technologies requirements is high, because if you fry a burger like 30 seconds more, it would be not the target quality and customer will not be satisfied. While robot can very precisely maintain this consistency and quality of technology every single day without influence of tiredness, of bad mood, or of bad weather, which are integral part of any human-powered kitchen. I'm not a computer vision expert, but in the previous company I worked with self-driving robots. The question is about will the vision guided robots be key to keeping restaurant industry afloat? But I don't think that this is a key factor. Definitely it helps. First of all, it helps to make quality controls. With image processing or video processing, we can monitor the quality of assembly, the quality of frying, for example, by steam extraction while you're frying something, or just make some timings for different parts which you put to frying pan. Definitely yes. And for distribution as well, if it's a large scale kitchen where you need to distribute different stuff of food to different bowls, it definitely helps. But currently it's mostly used in like big factories like pizza production to monitor the cheese and salami distribution on the pizza. But definitely computer vision will be mostly integrated to the kitchen more and more every day, but it's not a key factor. This is a synergy of different ways of sensors, different technologies who detect, feel the temperature, see what happens. And this is one of the most important factors, but not the key one.